Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you that how you can hide or unhide folders in Windows 10. So if you want to know, so don't try to skip this video from any point. And if you are new on our channel, please subscribe to our channel. So first of all, you have to select folder which you want to hide. Okay, so I want to hide this folder, so I will select this folder. Okay, after that you have to click on this view button. Here you can see view button, click on this. After that you will see this type of interface. Now you have to click on hide selected items. Okay, so now you can see that our folder is hidden. Okay, so now if you want to view hidden folder, then click on view button. After that click on hidden items. Okay, you have to enable hidden items. After that you can view hidden folders. Okay, so if you want to unhide hidden folders, then select it and then click on hide selected items again. Okay, so by using this method you can hide or unhide folders in Windows 10. If you are like this video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update.